Bro,
What?
what are you doing?
Sorry, I almost choked.
I said, what are you doing?
I cough, man. Relax. Are you okay? No, man. Relax, man. Relax.
Hell no, I just heard you cough.
I choked.
These are some different times now, man. We have to be cautious.
No, man. I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry.
So you gotta go, man. I'm sorry.
Stop. Think about this.
Look, man, okay. I don't know if you're infected, and you don't know if you're infected. So it's best that you die.
Yo, man, think about this. How is this even reasonable, man?
Alright, man. Why did you cough?
It's the war, man. Please. Put down the gun.
Fine.
Thank you. But seriously, don't go pointing guns at people when they cough.
Yeah, you're right, man. I'm sorry. It's just we have to be, like, extra careful these days, you know? Like, I just don't want to get the disease. I'm sure no one else does, so I'll just try to... Thank you for making it to the end of this video. I know it's sad, but always wear your masks. Thank you to my friend for helping me. He's over there. Yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe and wear your mask.